Check me out, guys. Pumpkin. I'm gonna put this pumpkin in the ground. Pumpkin in a pot. We're gonna take him out. There's a pot. Oh, mosquitoes. Take him out. Right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. We got a sunflower. That's a sunflower. Take him out. I got the pumpkin there. Damn, I got two. Oh shit, I broke it. 2 lemon trees right there. Okay. All right, let's put them in the ground because she's flowering. So let's put her down. Sound like I broke her. Took her out. Put it in a different place. Oh shit. Yes. Got it in the ground. And in the winter time I go pick up them 2 orange trees, them 2 orange seedlings. Alright. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put her in the ground over here. Over here. See that, right? There you go, sunflower. Check this out, y'all. Look at that. I'm no grape expert. I know it ain't supposed to be bushy like that, but they're late and we're gonna see how big they're gonna get this year. Yeah. Now, got a whole bunch of these to plant. Tomatoes. Okay. So, okay. Out. Tomatoes. So much. Separate them at least. If I don't separate them, I lose everything, right? You really have enough space on the ground to put it, so I'm putting everything in here. know it have a better chance of survival in this and spread out. Peppers here I gotta pick up. Peppers. Right. I'll put that somewhere else. Yeah, less than 10 minutes. What y'all think? Come on, man. Come on, man. Less than 10 minutes. Did I plant them too close though? Where all the tomato specialists at? Tap in. Let me know if it's gonna, if I'm gonna get a good yield like this. I mean, I ain't got no choice anyways. This is all the space I got. But tap in. Let me know if this, yeah, I think this gonna, I'm gonna get a good yield with this if it's too close or right. Leave a comment, man. Give me a subscribe. Check him out. Come on, man. Come on, man.